Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create this makeup behind the glasses, starting by highlighting my brow bone with Shell Longwear Cream Shadow Stick and blending it out with the dual-ended full coverage eye brush. This is going to really lift the brow bone. Now taking Cashew Cream Shadow Stick, which is going to act as a base for the rest of my eyeshadows and neutralize the color of my lids. To create depth to my eyes, I'm dipping into deep bronzing powder and essentially contouring my eye. Sweeping it into my crease and pulling out a slight wing shape to mimic the shape of my glasses. If you have a rounder pair of glasses, don't pull the shadow out too much. I'm also pressing deep along my bottom lash line and buffing it out with the eyeshadow brush. As you are wearing glasses, it is important to frame, pun intended, the top and bottom lash line. Now lining my top lash line with Bark Cream Shadow Stick, picking it up with the precise liner brush and pressing it along my lash line from corner to corner. I want to keep the line thin as I don't want liner to overwhelm my eyes being behind the glasses. Buffing it out with my smoky liner brush to soften the edges, then making sure to tightline for extra definition. Sparkle is your best friend when you wear glasses as it brings a little extra pop to the eyes and really opens them. Another pro tip is to curl your lashes as this lifts the lashes up and away from the glasses lenses and really opens the eyes. Of course, going in with a few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara on the tops and bottom lashes, then using my finger to give them an extra lift just before the mascara sets. You want to really keep the brightness in the eyes when wearing glasses, so I'm taking Bone Cream Shadow Stick in the inner corners of the eyes and also on my bottom waterline. You can really see how bright it makes the eyes. Popped on my lippy and jewelry, and here you have it, a simple but impactful eye makeup for glasses wearers. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.